119-96. So, paano nga ba natalo ang Los Angeles Lakers sa Houston Rockets? So, pinanood ko po yung NBA games live sa Disney Plus. At initially, I think, sabi ko, babawi na siguro ang Los Angeles Lakers dito kasi dalawang magkasunod. Natalo na po. At plus, nandyan si LeBron, nandyan si Luka. Kaya na siguro. Pero dyan ako nagkamali. And there's one stat that I will show you na medyo mapapakamot ng ulo ka kung bakit natalo ang Los Angeles Lakers. And just take a look at this. Of course, Luka 25 points, Thompson 26. Hindi pa yan si KD Pero ito yung stats na medyo kamot ulo. 48 rebounds against 25 rebounds lang ng Los Angeles Lakers. They gave away 13 more shots. And that's why I feel that the Lakers is a good team but not really a championship contender. At kung gusto nyo makita yung mga ganito, you can relive all the games and the highlights on Disney Plus. Doon ako nanonood.